Hello, this slideshow is showing the rebuild of my 1998 Honda XR400R. The bike stood for approximately 8 years in the back of the garage, unused, unloved, and was in dire need for some TLC. Enjoy! My boy was happy to help, and it was also a good opportunity for me to pass on some life skills, as they won't have these bikes in the future anymore. Some bits were still very good, but the sprocket fuel tap had for sure seen better days. The first lesson I taught the boy was always clean before you start working on anything. Finally, if in doubt, WD-40 and a hammer should sort most things. Also, a toothbrush comes in very handy when trying to clean up small bits. I'm pretty sure the suspension linkages have never been apart, and the brake calipers were completely seized, front and rear. Carb had also seen better days, but with the help of a friend and some sandblasting, etc., they will soon be looking like new again. All the linkage bearings pretty much fell apart as I took them out. It was an absolute joke. A piece of wood came in quite handy to act as a replacement shock, and it's sustainable. Alright, finally we did some bore scoping, and first we removed some stones which were placed right in front of falling right into the cylinder. But bore scope actually showed it wasn't so bad, so state of the engine inside was still pretty good. Calipers have been rebuilt since, and finally the only big hurdle I came across was the dreaded swing arm bolt, resulting in me actually having to order a replacement swing arm from the US to put it in, because I ended up with a friend cutting the swing arm completely. It was not budging at all. Now to the carburetor. My friend, who has rebuilt plenty of carburetors, has never seen one so dirty. So maybe neglect was the wrong word to use in the beginning. Finally, swing arm is destroyed. And finally, the bolt came out. That took about 2 months to basically try a penetrating fluid, heat, welding something on. Nothing budged. It was a joke. New plastics were sourced as well, as the old ones were still okay and serviceable, but some of them had seen better days. The new replacement swing arm was awesome, so thanks once again to the guys from the US to shipping it over. Getting everything together was actually fairly straightforward. Finally, bike loaded up into the van, MOT time. Lovely. Sailed through the MOT. Fitted nicely in my van too, so that's good. And ready to live another 25 years exploring the local trails. Happy days. Thanks for watching.